In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment form in WordPress using JetFormBuilder. We'll go through the full process from setup to testing, so by the end, you'll have a working payment form that you can place on your website and prepare for real customer use. To begin, install and activate JetFormBuilder on your WordPress site. This gives you access to the form builder and the payment features needed for this setup. Once the plugin is active, you're ready to create your form. Next, create a new form. Start with a blank form so you can build exactly what you need. This is usually the best option when creating a payment form because it keeps the layout clean and helps you focus only on the essential fields your customers need to complete. Now, add the fields for the customer's name, email, and payment information. The name and email fields are important for identifying the customer and sending confirmations or follow-up communication. Then include the payment-related field or fields required for the type of checkout experience you want to provide. As you add each field, make sure the labels are clear and easy to understand so the form feels simple and professional. After that, add the product, service, or payment amount to the form. This step tells the form what the customer is paying for. Depending on your use case, this could be a fixed product, a service fee, or a custom payment amount. Be careful to set this up clearly so there's no confusion when the customer reviews the form before submitting payment. Once that's done, configure the form's payment gateway or payment action. This is the part that connects the form to the payment process. You'll want to choose the correct payment method for your site and make sure the form is linked to the right payment action so submissions and payments work together properly. Then connect the required payment account. This allows the collected payments to go to your business account. As you do this, double-check that the connection is active and that your account is set up correctly before moving forward. Next, configure what happens after a successful payment. For example, you may want to show a confirmation message, redirect the user to a thank you page, or trigger the next step in your workflow. This helps create a smoother experience for the customer after checkout. Finally, add the payment form to a WordPress page, then preview and test the form before using it with customers. Testing is extremely important because it helps you catch missing fields, incorrect settings, or payment issues before the form goes live. Once everything works as expected, your payment form is ready to use.